Whether you're getting ready to board a 15-hour flight or buckling down to take a weekend getaway, chances are you're one of the 50% of Americans who are planning to travel this summer. It can be so easy to get caught up in the day-to-day life and not properly plan for your trip. But in those cases, you end up in a foreign airport in a foreign city without a plan. And very quickly, your vacation becomes time-consuming, expensive, and stressful. So take the time now to plan. Today, we'll be talking about our favorite tips and tricks to make your next vacation planning a breeze. Hello. If you are new here, my name is Jacqueline from Mod Assistants. We are household management and business admin experts, and on this channel, we share all the years of knowledge from our team to help you in your home and your business. If you're planning to drive cross-country, be sure to check out Road Trippers. Road Trippers is a navigational app that will help you plan stops based on where you're driving. Choose from attractions, outdoor recreation, restaurants, landmarks, and so much more. It is a great way to find unique attractions off the beaten path. Another great app for road travel is Bring Fido. So many of us don't want to leave our furry friends behind when we head out for a trip. Bring Fido allows you to find dog-friendly attractions, lodging, restaurants, and even events anywhere that you're traveling. You can even book straight through them to ensure a low-stress travel experience. We've all heard this before, but the sooner you book your flights, the better. Book flights early using booking sites such as Skyscanner, Google Flights, or Scott's Cheap Flights. The more flexible you can be with your dates and time of travel, the easier it will be to find a great deal. Ahead of time, be sure to download your airline's app. This way you will have access to your boarding pass, gate information, and you will receive any last-minute change notifications. That is very important these days as gates do tend to change last minute. Most of these apps also give you access to in-flight entertainment and possibly even Wi-Fi, so they're definitely worth having. This is where planning ahead is going to be most critical. First things first, plan your mode of transportation everywhere you're going. Are you going somewhere that has great public transportation, or are you going to need to rent a car? Is your destination a great place to ride a bike or a Vespa? Don't wait until you get there to figure out these logistics. Plan ahead. Also be sure to look up the transportation costs and how accessible they are where you are going. All the time you spend now planning ahead means more time for exploring and enjoying your vacation once you arrive. Bring several forms of payment and be sure to store them separately within your luggage. You can never be too careful when traveling abroad, and you never know when a type of payment is or is not going to be acceptable. We suggest bringing credit cards, debit cards, and cash. And to be extra safe, store them in separate locations within your luggage. Don't forget your chargers and any converters you might need for the country that you're visiting. The worst possible scenario is to be stuck out adventuring in a country you do not know with a dead phone. No matter how or where you're traveling, it is really important to have the right gear. Luggage, packing cubes, chargers and converters like we just talked about, the right type of clothing based on the location. All of this is important and should be planned ahead. We'll be sure to link in the description box below some of our favorite travel accessories. And finally, not to be contradictory, but don't over-plan. There is always a happy medium between chaos and a rigid structure when it comes to travel. If you plan now, once you get to your destination, you can sit back and enjoy the fruits of your labor. Before you hit the ground running with your travel planning, be sure to leave a comment below and let us know where you are planning to go this summer. We would love to know. If you haven't already, please like this video and subscribe for more videos just like this in the future. Happy planning, happy trails, and happy summer from everyone here at Mod.